Yes, my name is Fathi S-Boy. I came from all the way from Orlando, Florida to pick up a truck from Pedigree over here in Prime, New Prime Inc. By the way, the service was awesome. I'm happy with the truck. They give me time to check my truck. They give me the history of repair, the history of replacement, everything. The truck looked almost brand new. And thank you, Pedigree. And this is my second truck I bought from here. And I tell you what, they put you right there in the road to make money. You don't need to worry about repair. You don't need to worry about nothing. Just make that money. Thank you, Pedigree, and I'm happy about that.